We'll guide you through how to install NeoForge in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you don't know what NeoForge is, it's a mod loader. So in order to go and run NeoForge mods, we're going to need to go and have NeoForge installed. We're going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure this full guide, and without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we can do here is we've now got the game paused and we're going to go and close it like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and open a web browser of your choice. So in this case, I use Google Chrome, but you can use a different one. It doesn't matter. Now, just before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsors of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server. There's a link down below in the pinned comment and the description, which you can go and check out and get taken straight here. So you can go and scroll down and you can start checking out some of their great features, like a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support for your always online server, and automated backups as well. So they're definitely worth going and checking out. They've got different packs here you can get as well. So if you're interested, check them out down below. But to continue with the guide, what we need to do is, first of all, if there's a specific mod you want for NeoForge, we need to go and get that first of all. So what we can do is go and type in CurseForge like this and come to curseforge.com. Then what you can do is go and select Minecraft, and you can go and press browse all at the top. Scroll down on the left and we can go and select NeoForge. Now you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this so we can then go and make sure we get NeoForge for the correct version. So let's say I want to get just enough items here. I'll go and click on it. I'll go and press files. And then what we can do here is we can go and see it for the different versions. So I'm going to get it for the most recent one, which is here. So then what we can do is press the three dots to the right and go and press download file. And we'll go and wait for this to go and download. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it does, it's now here, and we can go and click on it in the top right and press download and verified file. It was blocked for some reason. Now you've got a mod that we now need to go and make sure we get NeoForge for the same version. That's really important to know, is that when you go and get NeoForge in any mods, they all need to be this for the same version. So if there's a mod I want, I get the mod first, and then I can get NeoForge match that same version. So let's come to Google like so, and what we can do is go and type in NeoForge, and you want to come to neoforged.net. So to the left here, you can then go and choose the version you want. So I went and got the mod JEI for the most recent version, which is 26.1.1. So I can go and select that to the left here. I've got it selected. And then you can press click here to download installer. I'll click on it and then press download a verified file like so. Now we've gone and got it downloaded. What you want to do is go and open up your file explorer, come to downloads, and here they are. So what we now need to do is go and install NeoForge. So go and double click on it like so, and it should go and open up like this. Now, if it doesn't, it's likely because you don't have Java installed. So you can come and close it, or if nothing happens, don't worry as well. Come back to your web browser and you want to come to java.com, press download Java for desktops, and you can download it and install it. And then what you can do is go and right click on it, hover over open with, and press choose another app, select Java and press always, and then it will go and run as you can see. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which relinks jar and jar files together again. Then select install client and press proceed and wait for it to go and complete, and I can press OK. Then what you can do is go and press search at the bottom and go and type in Minecraft and open it up. Shouldn't go and take much longer from here. As you can see, it's now loading. And then what you can do is go and press installations at the top, and you can come down and find NeoForge and press the folder to the right and scroll down, and you want to go and find the mods folder just here. Now, I've actually got other mods in here from previous versions. You probably won't, but if you do, go and clear them, as they could be for a different mod loader and for a different version. And we can then come to our downloads, and I'm then going to go and drag in JEI, as you can see. Now, what you can do is we can go and press play again, and to the left of play, make sure NeoForge is selected and press play. Understand the risk because you're playing with a modded version of Minecraft, and now it's going to go and load. It shouldn't go and take much longer, and you can see that it's now loading. And you're going to go and notice it looks a little bit different as we are running NeoForge. And on here, we should go and have the option for mods, which we can then click on. And you can see I've got just enough items. Of course, the mod you got may be different, but that's it. That is how you can go and install NeoForge and how you can go and install mods as well. And let me just go and show you what they look like quickly. So JEI is a recipe mod basically, and it does other things as well. But when we go and open it up, we can see the different items to the right, and you can search for what you want. And to view the recipe, you can go and click on it, and you can then go and see it here, as you can see. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.